In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of Copilot app. So by using the latest version of Copilot app, you'll be able to use the latest features that comes with this app, and you'll also be able to fix a lot of security issues that might be associated with the older version of Copilot app. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so let's get into it. Now to update this app, first you can do it either through Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, or you can use App Store if you are using an iPhone. For my case, I'm going to show you how to do it through an Android smartphone. So to get started, just get out of Copilot and then go ahead and look for Google Play Store, and mine is here. And under this, go ahead and search for Copilot. And now you can see we have Microsoft Copilot is here. It is already installed on my smartphone. Now we have two options here: uninstall and update. If you see we have this option called update, then it means you are using an outdated version of Microsoft Copilot. So go ahead and tap on this update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of Microsoft Copilot on my smartphone. And then once it is done, it will proceed to install it. And now once the installation is done, this will change from update to open, as you can see here. So if yours is already written open, it means you already have the latest version of Microsoft Copilot and you cannot update any further. Now you can proceed by opening it and start using the latest version of Microsoft Copilot app. So that's how you update your Microsoft Copilot app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.